How to transfer money from credit card to bank account or UPI. If you're wondering how to transfer money from your credit card to bank account or UPI, in this video will show you how to do. By using the Cred app, you can transfer money from any credit card to any bank instantly within a minute. Cred app charges very fewer charges for this service compared to other apps. Cred app available for download on iOS and Android platforms. Please see video description for download links. The first step is to install the Cred app and sign up using your credentials. Tap on Pay tab. Then select Rent Payment. Enter the amount. Now tap on Pay with Credit Card. Enter your friend's name here. We are going to transfer the amount to friend or relative account. Here, enter banking details or UPI address, whichever you may want, and click Submit. In the column, enter your own address. Once done, click on Proceed to Payment and complete the final step. Cred app will transfer the amount to account at a small transaction fee. The fee may range from 1% to 1.5% depending on the credit card network. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.